PL-15.
Children at science fairs make better models of such missiles. This is neither close to a PL-15, nor does it look like a PL-15. The missile does not land like this and gets broken in the mid section. The missile self-destructs in the air after it has a burnout time. I mean, this is laughable. You can die laughing. It's very dangerous thing that they're doing. It's fatal to human beings. This is absurd, totally absurd. Missiles don't land like this and get broken in the midsection. Nor they are of white color if they are not dummy. As far as the seekers are concerned, well, we say that we fired at them. So they're supposed to have seekers. We did fire. They're supposed to bring debris to prove the claim. They did this last time also in 2019. They showed a piece of an AMRAAM that they shot an F-16. The piece of an AMRAAM doesn't prove that they shot an F-16. It proves that we fired at them. Some part of the aircraft proves that they got the better of it. So we have to admit that they are making us, at least the humor part is with them.
Yes, of course. No, they live in movies. I must give credit. They have a very good theatre. They have very good this Bollywood. But that's not the reality. You have to grow out. Please stop living in Bollywood. Grow up. This sort of war they can keep on fighting for next many days. They think that this is war, that whatever comes to your mind, you start claiming. Why they are doing it? What's the sense of doing this? Because your face has been blackened on night of 6th and 7th May? Because we shot down your aircraft, your so-called very high technology aircraft that you were having, and you thought you can get away with it? And then once you didn't want to send your manned aircraft, you sent your unmanned drones, and we took each one of them out. Your face is being rubbed. You are frustrated. We can feel your frustration. We can feel your anger. Starting from 22nd April, you couldn't provide a shred of evidence. Nobody believes in your concocted story. Everyone knows that you are lying. And then you kill citizens, civilians, innocents. You kill children. Your lie is getting clearer for everyone to see. Your cruelty, your hubristic mindset is getting clearer. Your extremism, your anger is getting clearer. So you have to satisfy. And the people inside your country, starting from 22nd April, they are asking you, what have you done? Who are these people? Why there is this security failure? Because you have no answer to them? No, you concoct stories. We have taken down F-16. Karachi is burning. Quetta is burning. Prime Minister of Pakistan has been taken to a safe location. This, that, whatever comes to your mind. Is this a joke going on? These are two states. Their lives of hundreds of millions of people, thousands of millions of people at stake. The world peace is at stake. And this is what you are feeding. This is the war frenzy you are making. You watch their TV and they are showing that there are sirens going on, civil defense raids going on. So you want to create war hysteria? This is another point that I want to highlight, that we request the international media to fact check before buying their stories. This is just a very fresh story about someone who was leading the prayer, the funeral prayer of the people who died in one of the unfortunate place in this 6th, 7th, one of the mosques that was taken out. And the Indians started planting that this person who was leading is brother of someone whom they claim. You people are much more informed than me on this. Huh? So they started saying, no, listen to this. It's again sad that how people fall prey to these cooked up stories. So this is the British High Commissioner in UK. Now he is showing in the Indian High Commissioner in UK, he is showing this man and claiming him to be brother of this person. Match your notes. Your High Commissioner in UK is saying that this man is leading the prayers. Your media is saying he has died. So before you cook up a story, I would request our dear friends, whoever is writing the script over there of this fiction book that they are writing, that at least match the notes amongst yourself. You have to say once something, you have to back it up with fact and evidence. Now this man who was actually leading the prayers, whom the High Commissioner of the Indian High Commissioner is saying that he is the brother, what is he telling? Who is he? This man is Hafiz Abdul Rauf and he is telling who am I? So this man is a local politician. This is his, he belongs to a political party also. This is his date of birth. He has a son, he has 3 daughters, and that's simply what the man is. He is not his brother, not at all. And he's saying that I have come to know through international media saying that I am the brother of that person. I'm trying to tell you is that even if their high commissioners are telling you something, even if their ministries are telling you something, please fact check it. Don't fall prey to their misinformation, disinformation. Because they live in their own cocoons, in their own bubble, in which they believe every lie that is fed to them. India has become a disinformation, misinformation churning machine. And the only thing that can counter this is fact and reality. Again, unfortunate part that even reputed journalists like Barkha Dutt, whom people tend to believe what they are reporting on their social media. Breaking, a Pakistani pilot is in Indian custody. More details awaited. India thwarts multiple missiles and drone attacks by Pakistan on Jammu, Pathankot, and so many others. So once their person's position of authority inside India, like their high commissioners, like their spokespersons, they'll tell you lies after lies, then perhaps they are not at fault. But it's responsibility of a good journalist to fact check. Why we are requesting you this? Because once this process, this conflict that is going on, India is going to put a lot of lies, fabricate lies, keep on feeding it to you, media, international media, on hourly, on minute by minute basis. Please fact check it. So she's a responsible journalist, Barkha Dutt. But she also fell prey to this bundle of lies that is coming from them. And then people listen to her and journalists like them and then they start believing. More such examples of lies and lies and lies. More lies. We just wanted to give you the total of the drones that we have shot down so far is 77. These are at multiple places. This collection process of these war trophies is going on. Now, I would say that what they are playing right now on their media, this is phantom defense. Again, this is what they have taken out a page from the history. That was in 2016. US journalists must be remembering that after the Uri incident, they came out with a phantom strike. Their DGMO and their officers came and they started claiming that we have gone inside Pakistan and we have done this and that, and we checked and there was nothing. Absolutely nothing that has happened. And they claimed it. They still claim it. Like the way Abhinandan, the pilot we captured, they shot down 2 aircraft and they awarded him with one of their gallantry awards. Because they don't want to face the reality. So, from the following that model of phantom strike, now we see phantom defense. That Pakistan has attacked multiple places and we have defended. Great, we have done great job, okay. Show us the electronic signature. We can show you for each and every projectile that is coming, every drone that is coming inside. We can show you the debris. They send drones, we show you debris. I can lay down and fill this room, half of this room will be filled by the debris of the Indian drones. Because we don't lie. If we had casualties, we took the media, international media, to each and every place where they struck. We don't lie, we don't hide.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।